Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking gear and stance. This keeps the move clean and repeatable. Stand with shoulders squared, back foot on the tail's corner and front foot near the front bolts. Bend knees slightly to load the tail. This is your spring. Once done, commit weight to the back foot, then press the tail down to pop while sliding the front foot off briefly. Make sure to keep eyes forward, not on the board, and breathe through the motion to stay relaxed and responsive. You pop the tail decisively and immediately slide your front foot outward toward a 45 degrees angle. This creates the lift and separation that defines the no comply. Move your hips with the slide so the board follows. Avoid forcing the feet. Let momentum guide the deck. Once the board rises, pull your back knee up, guiding the board level with your thighs. Make sure to time the feet returning. Bring the front foot back under control and prepare to absorb impact with bent knees. You finish by spotting the landing and bringing both feet back over the bolts to catch the deck. Bend your knees to absorb the impact and ride away centered over the trucks. This balances momentum and prevents washouts. If the board spins out, use your front foot to gently halt the rotation and shift weight back to the center line. If things still go wrong, slow the drill. Practice the pop-in slide on grass or carpet to build timing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.